Yeah. What I'd like to add is that's a great question, and very worth considering as we talk about human in the loop. Where does AI fit? The real question is, what tasks is it well suited um, to take, which saves time for people to do the more meaningful tasks? Right now, the reality is, the hard fact is that AI doesn't reason beyond its limitations. For example, if you ask most AI agents, and you can test this yourself, Gemini or any other agent, how do you put a giraffe in a refrigerator? It's going to say, open the door, put the giraffe in, and close the door. I've done this a month ago. I've tested it every month to see if it gets better and better. It doesn't ask you, why are you putting a giraffe in a refrigerator? So that's kind of a weird example, but software development, expert software developers make much more complex decisions. And studies are showing, you can find them from DX and other sources, that AI generated code needs a lot more rework. So it's actually generating technical debt. So it really depends on if your goal is to get AI to develop software. It may develop certain types of software really well. If you get this context in place, it's going to make the AI more ready, I think, to be effective when it does. But I think you posed a great question, is is our goal to have agents write the software, or is it to speed up the effectiveness of our developers so we can do more with less, which is also a real challenge for a lot of organizations.